Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another ReVoN design tutorial. In this 3-minute tutorial video, you will learn how to make a neon light text effect in Adobe Photoshop. You will learn how to give a simple text a glowing light effect to make it look like a neon sign. We will be creating this example here, so let's get started. So in this working file, I've already added the background and the text. I chose the font Hello Morgan because I really think we can make this look like a swirly neon sign on a dark brick wall background. But of course you can choose any font or background that you like. So to start, we're going to open up the blending options. I find it easiest to open up the blending options to select the layer, go down here to the FX button and then select blending options here. Or to select the layer, right click and click on blending options to open up this panel. So first we're going to add an inner glow. We will set the blend mode to hard light. The opacity will be 35%. And then click here to add your color. I chose this vibrant blue color. Next, set your size to 7 pixels. And then on the contour, just click on the box to open it. And then click in the middle on the line to create a dot. And then we will set the input to 48% and the output to 62%. And then click OK to close the window. Next, we will add an outer glow. We will set the blend mode to linear dodge add. Set the opacity to 80%. Then again, add your color if it's not yet set. Then the size will be 35 pixels. Yes. And then the contour, click again to open it. Add a dot in the middle. And then update the input to 34% and the output to 65. Then add another dot around here. Update the input to 11% and then the output to 28%. Then add another dot up here and make that 64% and 94%. Then click OK and OK again to close it. Now we're going to duplicate the layer. You can do this by pressing Command or Control J. Then you have your copy layer. Make sure that it's below your original layer, so just click and drag it below. And then on the copy layer, we do not need the inner glow effect, so you can just click and drag it down here to the bin to remove that. Then open up your blending options again on the copy layer, and then we will add a stroke. Make sure that it is 1 pixel in size and that the position is set to inside. Then we will go to outer glow and update our size to 250 pixels. That's the max that you can set it to. Next, we will add a drop shadow. Set your blend mode to linear light. This one. The opacity will be 21% and the angle will be 50 degrees. Then set the distance to 47 pixels. The spread will be 10% and then the size will be 43 pixels. And then close your blending options. So that is it. That is how you create a neon light text effect in Adobe Photoshop. I really hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. What did you think of the video? Do you have any cool suggestions for us for a design or tutorial? Let us know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers!
Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to leave a like. If not, refresh it. Give it another chance. Got questions? Just ask them in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video.